Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to restrict people from specific countries from seeing your Instagram posts. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. On the settings page, scroll down and select Creator Tools. Once you're in the Creator Tools section, tap on Minimum Age by Country. This setting lets you control content visibility based on a user's age in specific countries. Now, to restrict users in a certain country from seeing your posts, choose the country you'd like to limit. For example, if you want to restrict viewers in Algeria, just increase the minimum age for that country to 14. This way, only users aged 14 and above in Argentina will see your Instagram posts and stories. This setting can help boost engagement in the countries you're actively targeting, as Instagram will primarily show your content to users who meet these requirements. You can easily add or remove countries as you adjust your content strategy.